Hello everyone. Now question number 3. Question 3 is a man purchased a cell phone for rupees 2000. So purchased, so this would be cost price. By paying 200 rupees more, he replaces his body. So what this 200 means? This is overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. If he sells the cell phone for rupees 2500, find his profit or loss percent. So the selling price is given 2500. So let's proceed for the question 3. Cost price of phone equal rupees 2000. Overhead expenses. Overhead expenses equal rupees 200. So what would be the total cost price or actual cost price? Therefore, total cost price of phone would be rupees 2000 and rupees 200. So add them together. So you would be getting 2200 is the actual cost price of phone. Now further, if he sells the phone for rupees 2500, so 2500 would be what? Selling price. Selling price of phone equal rupees 2500. Now the question is that you have to find out his profit or loss percent. Selling price is 2500 and cost price is 2200. So whether it is profit or loss? Since selling price is more, since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore it has profit. So now we will apply the formula. Profit equal SP minus CP. So this is 2500 minus 2200. तो कितने का प्रॉफिट हुआ? रुपीज 300 profit. Now we will find out the profit percent. So what is the formula? As I have told it, profit percent would always be on CP. So profit upon CP multiply 100. So 300 upon CP is 2200 multiply 100. Now cancel the terms like this. So it would be profit percent would be 300 upon 22. You can cancel it further by 2, 150. So this is equals to 150 upon 11. 150 divided by 11. So this is coming as 13.63%. So this would be the profit. Now next question. Question 4. In question 4, a man buys 5 dozens eggs at the rate of rupees 36 per dozen. Means buys its returns cost price. 1 dozen eggs cost price is 36 and he has bought 5 dozen. Out of which 5% got broken. He sold the remaining eggs for rupees 48 rupees per dozen. What was his total gain? So first we will find out the number of eggs here. Number of eggs equal 5 dozen. 5 dozen. So this would be how much? 5 dozen means 5 multiply 12. So the eggs would be 5 multiply 12, so it would be 60x. 60x. And out of which 5% got broken. So number of x broke, equal 5%. 5% किसका? Of total x of 60. So this would be 5 upon 100 multiply 60. Cancel it. So this means 3 eggs got broken. Number of eggs broken is 3 eggs. So how many would left now? The left eggs would be remaining eggs. Therefore, remaining eggs would be how much? 60 eggs are total. So 60 minus 3. So this would be 57. Now we will go for the question. In question, cost price of 5 dozen at the rate of 36 per dozen. So we will take cost price of 1 dozen eggs. 1 dozen eggs equal rupees 36. So cost price of 5 dozen eggs. 5 dozen eggs would be 36 multiply 5. So this would come as 36 multiply 5 as 180. So the cost price of 5 dozen eggs is rupees 180. Now the question is, he sold the remaining eggs. So remaining eggs is 57 at the rate of 48 per dozen. Sold is written, so it means selling price. So selling price of 1 dozen or we can say 1 dozen or 12 eggs equal how much? How much it is given? Rupees 48. And if you will see how many eggs are left now? 57 eggs. So he sold the remaining eggs for the rate of rupees 48 per dozen. Means 12 eggs ki selling price 48. So what would be the selling price of 57 eggs? So selling price of 12 eggs 48. So selling price of 1 egg equal 48 upon 12. Can cancel it here. It goes with 4. So it would be rupees 4. And selling price of how many eggs? 57 eggs. So selling price of 57 eggs equal 4 multiply 57. 4 multiply 57 will be the selling price of remaining eggs. So it would come as rupees 228. Now the question is, what was his total gain? This is the selling price. So since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore gain equal SP minus CP. So SP is given 228 and let's see the CP. The cost price is given as 180 rupees 180. So 228 minus 180. 228 minus 180. So if you will solve it, it would come as rupees 48. So the total gain will be how much? What should be the total gain? Don't forget to write its answer. Therefore, total gain equal rupees 48. I hope this question is clear now. Question number 5. Rahul buys an Almira for rupees 2000. So buys is written, so it means this is cost price, and spends 400 on its transportation. So this is 400 is overhead expenses. He sells the Almira for rupees 3000. So sells. So it means that this is selling price. Determine his profit percent. So this question is very easy. Cost price of Almira. Cost price of Almira equal rupees 2000. Overhead expenses. Overhead expenses equal rupees 400. So therefore, actual cost price of Almira, what it should be? You have to add them together. So rupees 2000 plus 400. So this will come as rupees 2400. Sales at rupees 3000. So selling price of Almira equal rupees 3000. Now here, since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore profit would be how much? SP minus CP. So SP is 3000. So 3000 minus CP. This 2400 would be CP. So the profit would be how much? 3000 minus 2400. So 600 rupees would be the profit. Now the question is, we have to find out the profit percent. So what is the formula for profit percent? Profit percent is profit upon CP multiply 100. So this formula we will be using now. So profit percent, apply the value in the formula. Profit upon CP. Let's see the CP. CP is 2400 upon 2400 multiply 100. Now we will cancel the terms. So zeros would be cancelled out. 4 and then this would be cancelled out. So what should be the answer? 25% would be the profit. So before we will end this question, how will you proceed further? Therefore, profit percent equal 25%. I hope these three questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.